She had tears in her eyes. Vajar ed sulen. Vajar ed sulen. So to break this down, it is va, was, jar, tears, ed, upon, and then it wouldn't get said in Perthshire, but there's a little there, which means her, and then sulen. And the way you differentiate between hers and his in Perthshire would just be whether it is sulen or hulen. Vajar ed sulen. Whoops, almost said hulen. Vajar ed sulen. So she had tears in her eyes. Vajar ed sulen. Vajar ed sulen. So what was? She had tears in her eyes. Vajar ed sulen. Vajar ed sulen. Vajar ed sulen. It's interesting that it is ed sulen rather than unsulen. Perhaps because often things are upon you, things that affect you are upon you. Perhaps. Also, I think body parts are upon you as well. And I think she is very sorry herself. Or, although the text itself actually is, I think she is very sorry herself, which is Scots, I believe. Which is something that I should be used to, having lived in Scotland, but well. Anyway. Hamismunach gaveli hain dulich. Agus hamismunach gaveli hain dulich. Hamismunach gaveli hain dulich. So I'm thinking she herself is sorry. Hamismunach gaveli hain dulich. Hamismunach, I'm thinking. G, that. Veli, she is. Hain, herself. Dulich, sorry. So I think she herself is sorry. Hamismunach gaveli hain dulich. Hamismunach gaveli hain dulich. Hami smunach gaveli he dulich. But I meant no harm, which is translated as ach charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. So out of the road with it, I suppose, or out of the road by it. So apparently that means I meant no harm. So ach charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. Ach charomi kilach. I wasn't meaning nisabi anything esenradlish. Out of the road with it, or I wasn't meaning any. I meant no harm, really. Ach charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. Charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. Charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. So what was but I meant no harm. Ach charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. Ach charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. Ach charomi kilach nisabi esenradlish. She feared she would not see her again. Gundoi gol egal nach udachi feichindish. So this is said after a sentence. That's why it's gndo. She was taking fear that she wouldn't be allowed to. Food is may, generally. So, foodach rather. Foodach. So may not see her again. So, it doesn't really translate very well, like word for word to English, but it is something like, that was she taking fear that not may she her seeing again. So gundoi gol egal nach udachi feichkindicht. So the for her is also dropped, so it just becomes feichkin, not a feichkin, but just feichkin. Gundoi gol egal nach udachi feichkindicht. So, what was? She was fearing that she would not see her again. Gundoi gol egal nach udachi feichkindicht. Gundo I gol egal nach udachi feichkindicht. Gundo I gol egal nach udachi feichkindicht. So what are the following sentences in English? Vajad ed sulen. Vajad ed a sulen. Vajad ed sulen. She had tears in her eyes. Vajad ed sulen. Vajad ed sulen. Vajad ed sulen. Agus hamismunach gveli hein dulich. Agus hamismunach gveli hein dulich. Agus hamismunach gveli hein dulich. I think she is sorry herself, and I think she is sorry herself. Agus hamismunach geveli hein dulich. Agus hamismunach geveli hein dulich. Agus hamismunach geveli hein dulich. Charomi kielach nisabi is an rad leis. Charomi kielach nisabi is an rad leis. Ach charomi kielach nisabi is an rad leis. But I meant no harm. Ach charomi kielach ní sabí is an rád leis. Ach charomi kielach ní sabí is an rád leis. Charomi kielach ní sabí is an rád leis. Gundói gol egal nach údachi feichkindíist. Gundói gol egal nach údachi feichkindíist. Gundói gol egal nach údachi feichkindíist. That she was fearing that she wouldn't see her again. Gundói gol egal nach údachi feichkindíist. Gundó I gol egal nach údachi feichkindíist. Gundói gol egal nach údachi feichkindíist.